House of Gaga. What is this? Hi there. Is this Lady Gaga who's playing?
Yes, this is her museum.
She's a, oh, well snap. I didn't even know she has a museum. Is her show performed here?
Not right now. She used to.
Oh, she used to. Ah, okay. So there you go. This is a mini museum for Lady Gaga. Look at this place. This is pretty awesome. Got a bunch of different outfits. Wait a minute, is this the meat dress? It is the meat dress. Oh my god. She literally wore raw meat. Like, this is definitely not the raw meat, because this thing would be fermented by now if that was. Wow, look at this place. Ludette would love this place. Gotta bring her some time. I have to admit, I really love Lady Gaga. Just the artist in her, the creativity, the message that she tries to share. Y'all remember these boots? You call them that? Okay, you look at this dress up close and it looks so uncomfortable. Like it would just cut your skin to pieces.
Your eyes.
This dress I love. Very elegant, yet over the top. Look at that hat. Bigger than an umbrella.
Relax. Breathe easy.
Born This Way tour. I guess it was a stage prop.
Close your eyes.
Wigs. How does she not have a video game yet? I'm telling you, man, dressing up your avatar in a Lady Gaga video game would be crazy.
Close your eyes.
The question is whether or not she's ever going to come back and perform again, because we didn't get to catch her the first time. It's a true story about this. Funny story, I actually did get tickets to her show. But we ended up going. We ended up having to sell the tickets. It was a game that Ludette and I played, gambling game, where we kind of bet on upgrading the gifts, and she decided to take the cash prize instead of the tickets, not realizing those were Lady Gaga tickets.
Close your eyes.
That's cool. Huh? That's really cool. Holy crap, that's cool. Look at that guitar. Alright, there you all go. In case you didn't know. Inside Park MGM is a Lady Gaga museum.